Hey guys, this is Mark Roemke from Ninja Training TV. Today we've got some basic techniques for you that we go over in our dojo all the time when we have beginner people. And so what we're doing is a flow drill one that I really like to teach. So what we'll do first is we teach people basically how to make a fist. Bring your hands, curl them down, thumbs go over, line up your knuckles behind the radius and ulna of the bone so that when you're hitting and doing impact, your wrist doesn't turn to the side. So we teach how to do a basic punch from here. We start in some type of a ready stance. In ninjutsu, we call this ichimonji no kamae, right? Your hands are out, one hand's back, and the other one's coming forward. Now, we could just throw punches and hit like this, but we're doing an armor-based weapons art, so a lot of times what we'll like to do is we'll step forward and use our whole body to do this hit. And we're simulating like a stab or having some type of weapon on our hand. So it's a different way that we teach an attack than if I was doing like MMA or sparring or doing with my boxing coach. Like you're doing punches and you're doing movement differently for unarmed combat without any weapons in your hands and things like that. So once we've got this basic way of coming through and learning how to hit with this gliding force forward, this punch or stab or way of using some type of a bludgeoning weapon, you're getting a simple type of an attack and learning how to do that. All right, so hope you like this. Please hit like and subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want more notifications for this channel. And as always, keep training.